Hey everybody! Justin Senior here. I've got a video that's going to directly help you make more money on your Shopify store. And this is going to be all about setting up upselling for your Shopify store. I'm going to define what upselling is, but I want you to understand right off the bat that upselling is going to help you make more money without you needing to do anything else. You're not going to need to send new traffic or get new ads. It's all about making money from the existing traffic and customers that are already on your site. So let's jump right into it. First and foremost, what is upselling? Well, by definition, it's offering another product or offering another service to a customer that has already shown some sort of buying intent. And the most powerful, the most common way that you've seen this is you might have even run into this yourself when you're buying a product. As soon as you press the add to cart button to add a product to your cart, you'll get a little pop-up, and inside that pop-up, it's going to showcase how or what products they want you to see, how you can add them to your cart in one click. That's an upsell. And it's really, like I said, the most common way. And the buying intent there is that the customer or the potential customer added a product to cart. So we're saying, okay, we have someone that is about to become a customer. We have someone that we really value here. Let's see if we can get them to become someone that we super value by having them add more products to cart. And the upsell is all about making it as easy as possible. You present those products to them, and then they could one-click add them to cart and continue the checkout from what they were doing originally, adding that original product to cart. You're getting them to checkout now with multiple products in their cart, and obviously you making more money. So it's an incredibly powerful way. What you want to do is showcase more products that might intrigue the customer, your best sellers. I'll go over a couple different strategies and styles of upselling in terms of what to put in the upsell. But it's all about driving products that you think the customer is going to be intrigued by, that they'll add on top of the original product, and then get them to go ahead and check out. And upselling really, it's just one kind of name that really a lot of different things fall under. You could have upsell offers, you could have cross-selling, you could have related products, you could have bundling. These are all different examples of the idea of upselling, where we're just basically trying to make more money from our existing traffic and from our existing customers. We don't need to run any new ads. We don't need to do anything crazy. We're just trying to basically make more money from the people that are already coming to our website. So obviously it's a very powerful concept. It's one that anyone can make more money from. It's a high profit concept because, again, we're not running any ads. And let's actually break down the numbers. Obviously the goal of upselling is to make more money with the same amount of traffic. That's why we do upselling, because there's a lot of upside to it in terms of us making money. But let's take a look at some actual numbers. And let's say you're making $10,000 a month on Shopify. Okay, let's say last month you did $10,000 in sales, and of course, these numbers can change to whatever is realistic for you: 100,000, 500,000, 2,000, whatever. When you implement upselling, you're going to see about 5 to 10% of orders take the upsell or take the bundle or take the cross-sell, whatever you're offering them. 5 to 10% of people will take that. So if you could add 5 to 10% to your revenue, right? There's no additional costs in terms of traffic or anything like that, right? You're just installing a Shopify app, and I'll talk about that in a second. You're going to implement to get 5 to 10% of orders to take an upsell. You're going to make an extra $15,000 to $3,000 in extra revenue just by upselling, right? You're not adding any traffic. You're not adding any advertising cost. You're going to make an additional $1,500 to $3,000 a month, or 5 to 10% more of your monthly sales just by implementing upselling. So that's why we do upselling, because you can look at the numbers. It's a very direct route to making more money with your Shopify store, and that's what every single Shopify entrepreneur needs to care about, of course, making more money with their store without increasing their costs. So this is another form of scaling, of course, but it doesn't involve any type of ads or ad spend, because we're, again, making more money with the same amount of traffic. So how do you set up upselling for Shopify? It's very simple. There are literally hundreds of different Shopify apps that can do this. They all get set up in one click. There's no need to look at any code or do anything crazy. And each app kind of does their own different things. I'm going to show you by far the best upselling app, the one that I use and the one that is definitely the best one in the App Store in a second. But really the whole idea is that an upsell app, it's going to allow you to configure the upsell very specifically. You're going to be able to set up an upsell per product. You could have multiple offers per product. You can bundle products. You could offer discounts. You could offer bulk quantity discounts. All of these different things that are built into the app. And all of these options are configurable inside of the app itself in your Shopify settings. So there's really nothing hard to do. You just simply install the app. Really, there are, like I said, hundreds of different apps out there. Some of them are very expensive, but they all do the same thing. So I'm going to show you the one, not only is it really fairly priced, it's pretty cheap, but it also has all of the features that we want. And really, the way that you set up upselling is you use Upsellkit. And you see the link below the video right now. I'm going to go over the shoulder in a second and show you exactly why I use Upsellkit and exactly the types of upsells that you're going to be able to do here and how much money you're going to be able to make, because you're going to be able to offer all 3 different types of upselling strategies that I'm going to go over in the next couple minutes. So let's go over the shoulder. We'll take a look at Upsellkit, and I'll show you why it's the best upselling app to use. What you're looking at right now is upsell.justinsenior.com. It's just a little review page that I have for the Upsellkit app, which I'm going to be showing you in a second. But it's by far the best Shopify upsell app that's out there right now. I'm going to give you an exclusive link, but you can take a look at this link over here, upsell.justinsenior.com, and go through kind of all the different features that kind of put together, make this, like I said, the best by far when it comes to Shopify apps. And really, it's all about motivating your buyers. You're going to see in a second exactly how we're going to motivate buyers, how you're going to make more money. And really, there's only one app that I use, and I 100% recommend. It's Upsellkit. You can see here's a little bit of the stats just for a little bit less than a month. It's about 30 days or 29 days in one of my stores. Obviously, some solid numbers here. Some pretty high percentage of people who take the add-ons. All right, that really means I just have it totally dialed in. You can see somewhere upwards of 30% upsell activation when you do this right. So we're just talking about making more money for the same amount of traffic, right? We're trying to get our customers to buy more. And of course, Amazon, they really created Upsells, or they didn't really create it, but they're the ones that really made it, brought it to the forefront of our attention as marketers. And of course, we're just trying to kind of replicate the great upselling features that they have in Amazon, and we do that in our Shopify store. And this is what Upsellkit looks like, and this is why it works so well. You see on the screen, and this would be right after a customer clicks Add to Cart. So they literally go through their store, click the Add to Cart button. This is what's going to pop up, and I'll get you set up with this in this video. You're going to have the option, of course, showing the cart, right? So as they add these sunflower seeds, they show the cart. But here's where we're going to make more money. You see here it says the magic is in the upsell. These sections right here, you see one-click options to add to cart. So over here we have bundling and save. So you could bundle multiple products, and of course this is all configurable inside the Upsellkit app. So you say, okay, people who buy sunflower seeds, they might also buy tamarind seeds and pumpkin seeds. So let's create a bundle and give them 10% off, and you could set this up directly inside of the app. So now anytime someone adds the sunflower seeds to their cart, you say, how about you get this instead? Get this bundle. Okay, so that's one option. Okay, and a lot of, most other upsell apps only give one of these 3 options. You're getting all 3 powerful options in one at the same time. It doesn't cost anything extra to have these additional ones. Other apps just don't do this. Right, and pricing-wise, Upsellkit is one of the best priced apps as well, but we're just talking about features right now. Over here, you get basically a motivation to buy more. Okay, buy 2, get 10% off. Okay, so if you think that people might want to buy multiples of the product, you can incentivize them with a little discount directly inside of the Upsell app. Right, this isn't even about promoting discounts. You're not email blasting discounts. This discount would only show to people who have already added at least one to their cart. So I very infrequently discount, but this would be really one of the only places that I would, because it's not a publicized discount. Kind of similar to how you might add a discount or free shipping into the 3rd abandonment email. Okay, and by the way, for abandonment emails, definitely check out Abandonment Protector. It's definitely the app that I use. There's a bunch of videos for that on my YouTube. But we're talking over here, again, this is the second. And then the third option over here, customers who bought this item also bought. You see sunflower seeds, tamarind seeds, and grass. Well, that's your traditional upsell, basically saying, hey, you're about to buy this, great. Here's some other hot products. Okay, and that's your traditional upsell. This is your buy more for motivation upsell. This is your bundle and discount motivation upsell. All of them are configurable on a per product basis or on a per category basis. There's a lot of different ways to set up rules. You can get very advanced with this, or you can just keep it simple. Say, I want to present other items when people add the product to cart, and you can get that set up within a couple of seconds. And I'll show you just how you're going to be able to get Upsellkit, and I'll even get you a nice extended free trial. But again, the magic is in the upsell, right? Every single Shopify store needs to have an upsell app. This is not optional anymore. So, definitely check this out. Get this implemented in your store. If you take a look at the link below, and actually let me go over some of the features first, but there is a link below. On their site, they have a 30-day free trial. I'm going to be able to get you a 90-day free trial with the link that's below this video, upsellkit.chiliapps.com/Justin_Senior. But that link is below this video. I want to tell you a little bit more about the features, and really it's all about doing the 3 different types of upselling in one. Okay, this isn't just about one of the 3. You can get an app for cross-selling, you can get an app for bundling, you can get an app for upselling, you can get all these different types of apps, and you could pay 3 times the price. You get them all in one with Upsellkit. And pricing, like I said, they're very competitively priced. One of the cheapest that's in there. You could take a look, basically do a sliding scale in terms of how many views you get per month. So if you're just getting started, it's very, very cheap. Right, the free trial includes up to 2,000 views as well in that 90-day free trial that you're going to get. But you got, of course, great stats and advanced targeting rules. That's basically how you set up what triggers what, right? What upsells are going to show in what scenarios, and great support as well. Use a lot of different apps from Chili Apps, like I mentioned, Abandonment Protector as well. But take a look at the link below. Okay, upsell.chiliapps.com/Justin_Senior, and this is how easy it is to get Upsellkit in your store. It's going to ask you for your ugly Shopify URL, your my.shopify URL. So we're going to come over here to one of my demo stores. We'll take the myshopify.com store URL, copy it. Okay, we're not taking the HTTPS or the admin or anything like that. We're going to paste it right in here. So it should look like your username.myshopify.com. We'll click install now. And this is going to bring us back into our store where we're going to give permission to install Upsellkit. Okay, you're not going to find this in the App Store. You need to get it through the link that you see below this video. And now that we have this, we're going to literally be right into it, and we're going to be able to install our plan. And we'll be able to, of course, pick a plan in terms of what type of level we'll need. It will depend on what we're going to be doing in terms of traffic, but we'll be able to actually set up everything in here. And great support over here as well. You can take a look at some of the videos in terms of how to create a bundle. Very, very simplistic. Right, they walk you through exactly how to bundle all that, and this is the idea of you search for products that you want to be triggered, and then you search for products that you want to show as the bundle. So simplistic there. You watch that. They got videos over here for your basic upselling, and then they have all of the different types of upsells that you want. You have your analytics over here, but how about for upselling over here? Click to enable, create new offer. Okay, it's super simple. Offer title. Sample title, you see exactly how it's going to be shown over here. This text updates, as you see right over here. Now we're going to select the trigger item. Okay, so what item in my store will trigger the upsell? So how about anytime anyone adds the Red Wolf product to their cart? That's going to be the trigger. So I'll come over here. It's going to load my products automatically, or I could just search, and you'll see I could do that. I could also pick specific variants, but I'm just going to pick the entire product, of course, for a t-shirt. So it's saying this is the trigger. Now what are we going to upsell? Okay, what's going to be the upsell over here? I'm just going to upsell this All the Cats Please shirt, and I'll upsell this Dogs Are Better shirt. Actually, I'll upsell this one. I think this one makes more sense. So I'll add this one over here. Okay, so we can just showcase our entire thing. We'll give a 0% discount. I'm not going to do any discount. We could enable this offer to be shown with upselling offers. Depends on what other offers we have, but right now we only have one, so it's fine. Change the add to cart button to something like get this too, and create the offer. I'm going to save it without a discount. We're going to enable it. Okay, we'll enable that as well because it's our first set of offers. And that's as simple as it can get. I mean, literally, it takes a couple of seconds to enable this. You could imagine having different customized upsells for different products. Or you could even set rules, right? You can get very advanced in this. They have great support right over here, and you'll be able to add tons and tons of different upsells over here. I also really love the ability that you can actually preview your offer without having to go through and actually add the product to your cart, and it starts getting messy when you do that a bunch of times. I just like being able to preview, and having the preview here, it's going to show you exactly what the customer is going to see, and you see that they have their cart information. You see we have customized what product, the title. We even customized the button. So they literally just come in here and pick their color and their size and get this too, and they'd be able to add that into their cart. And now they have their new updated cart, which you would then proceed to check out. Of course, this is just a little test page, so there's nothing here, but really, really powerful. And I love, again, seeing the preview on here just saves you so much time. And this is really just one of the 3 right? One of the 3 features that we've enabled here, you'd be able to go over here and just literally click to enable cross-selling, and you'd go through and just set up the different options that they have here. So incredibly powerful app. Couldn't recommend it really any higher. You see the link below this video. You'll be able to get it for 90 days for free. Make sure you check that out. It's a great app to add to your store. Add it to mine, and you can also check it out over here, upsell.justinscener.com. They also have a demo store if you really want to go through and take a look at kind of everything out there. It's trending-seeds.myshopify.com, and these are the kind of screenshots that I used for the example on that upsell page. So you can go through here, you could add different products to the cart. You see all the different types of upselling over here, for example, the bundles, the quantity motivation, and just your typical upsell offer where you could add all these products to cart, and you can continue to upsell them really until you run out of offers. So incredibly powerful. Every store needs an upsell. Upsellkit is definitely the way to go. Make sure you click that link below this video to get that 90-day free trial. Hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.